Tucked along the banks of the Huron River, just west of Ann Arbor's Gallup Park, lies one of the city's most vibrant natural treasures, Furstenberg Nature Area. This nature area is home to rich and diverse landscapes. Wetlands, woodlands, prairie, and rare oak savanna, all thriving just minutes from the heart of the city. A half-mile paved loop offers easy access through the park, while a granular trail leads deeper into the prairie and forest, eventually connecting to a stunning quarter-mile wetland boardwalk and Gallup Park. Since the mid-90s, dedicated staff and volunteers from Natural Area Preservation have worked to restore and care for this land, removing invasive species and using controlled burns to bring native habitats back to life. Wildlife thrives here from spring through summer. Benches and scenic overlooks invite you to slow down, listen, and experience the wonder of nature up close. Furstenberg Nature Area is a living landscape, carefully restored, deeply loved, and waiting for you to explore. Discover the wild side of Ann Arbor, right in your backyard. For more information, visit a2gov.org/parks.